In this video, we delve into the shocking story of My Forex Funds, a popular Toronto-based prop trading firm, and its operator, Murtuza Kazmi, who have been charged with running a massive $300 million plus fraud on retail Forex traders. Could this mark the end of prop firms as we know them? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. Today, we have a breaking news story that exposes a massive $300 million plus fraud in the world of Forex trading. Buckle up, because this is a story you won't want to miss. It all started when US and Canadian financial regulators took action against My Forex Funds, a popular prop trading firm operating under the website myforexfunds.com. They charged the company and its operator, Murtuza Kazmi, with running a staggering $300 million plus fraud on retail Forex traders. In its defense, the company said that it was as shocked as everyone as it learned that, without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and the commodities regulator in the United States issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in their bank accounts. Of course, many retail traders and Forex mentors who were part of the My Forex Funds funded trader program were left in shock as suddenly their funds were frozen and their trading activities came to a halt. Were you among the traders affected by the freezing of My Forex Funds? Tell us in the comments section below. Once the alleged fraud was discovered, the regulatory response was swift and decisive. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, filed a complaint against Murtuza Kazmi and his companies. Traders Global Group Incorporated. This complaint charged them with fraudulently soliciting customers to trade leveraged retail foreign exchange, Forex, and leveraged retail commodity transactions. On August 29, a U.S. District Court judge signed a restraining order, freezing the defendant's assets and appointing a temporary receiver. Ian McGinley, Director of Enforcement at the CFTC, stated, "The CFTC's case against the My Forex Funds defendants is emblematic of our commitment to stamping out retail fraud in our markets." He said that My Forex Funds, operating as Traders Global, had promised retail customers the opportunity to become professional traders using the firm's money to trade against third-party liquidity providers. They assured customers that your success is our business, but the reality was quite different. The complaint revealed that Traders Global was the counterparty to most trades placed by traders under its funded trader program. My Forex Funds is accused of using various tactics to minimize the likelihood of customers trading profitably, including terminating customer accounts under false pretexts, assessing misleading commissions, and executing orders at worse prices than customers believed. The CFTC also said that this case isn't just limited to the United States. On August 29, the Ontario Securities Commission took action, issuing a temporary cease trade order against Traders Global Group Incorporated and Murtuza Kazmi. That wraps up our coverage of the shocking My Forex Funds fraud case, where regulators have taken swift action to protect investors from a $300 million plus scam. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of finance. What do you think about all this? Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.